Mmm. Delicious. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Free Spiritist. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I am doing great. I'm back again, guys, with another mukbang for you guys. And today's mukbang, we've got, I'm sorry, surf and turf, y'all. I have lamb steak, some shrimp, asparagus, and a sweet mango for the finish, y'all. So I hope you guys are ready to dig in because I'm ready to dig in, y'all, before the food starts getting cold. So y'all go ahead, pause this video. I'm gonna do my pan for y'all. We're gonna do grace and we're gonna get to chopping. So let's get it, y'all. All right, grace time. Lord bless this food and bless the hands that made it. Amen. Let's eat, y'all. Short and sweet. What's up, y'all? How are y'all doing today? Midweek, hump day. Woo, woo. Yes, y'all. How y'all doing? I've been gone for a little bit. I don't know if you guys noticed. I did take a little more time off this week because, y'all, I'm not going to lie to y'all. I got to get a sip of water, y'all. Excuse me. Refreshing. It's been crazy. I washed my hands, y'all, and you know, so I'm gonna probably use both fork and hands, especially with this asparagus. Speaking of which, there we go. First bite. Mmm. Nice and juicy and buttery. So y'all, how y'all doing? It's been a crazy, crazy week. There's some shrimp for y'all. Look at that. Garlic, ginger, onion. It's really good. So guys, it's been a crazy, you know what I'm gonna do? Cut this in half and use my hand, y'all. It's been a crazy week for me, guys. Now I kind of get the whole understanding of why there aren't many more homeowners in America. And the woes of home ownership. It is not easy. I'm not even gonna lie. You know, I was really excited, y'all. There you go. When I was trying to get my home, oh my God. I was like, no more rent. It's my own. Very excited. And don't get it twisted, home ownership is very exciting. That's the lamb, y'all. Juicy, juicy. Delicious. I'm coming, y'all. Water. Yes. As I was saying, home ownership is exciting, y'all, because it's like, you know, you're getting your own piece of the pie and stuff, you know? But I can see why somebody would want to wait, you know? Y'all, it has been crazy. Y'all remember last week when I told y'all like there was a series of events that happened, and now it's like, you know, this week it just was compounded. And so I guess I should go ahead and share with you guys what my issues have been. So, you know, I'm in Texas, y'all, and I don't know, those of you who are local, y'all know, you know, how the weather is in Texas. It's basically always hot, except for maybe 3 months in the winter time when it gets cold. But it's always hot in Texas, basically. So, anywho, I bought this home 2 years ago. Literally 2 months before the pandemic hit. That's when I bought my home. And I told you guys, it was really exciting. Because I was just like a new homeowner. You know, first buying my home. I was super, super happy, you know? Like, finally, yay, you know? So, anyway. If I had it to do over again, I would. But I wouldn't buy a home that was already lived in. That's the difference. I bought a home that people had already lived in. So, of course, when you buy something used, boom, you got, you know, you're gonna expect to be surprised, you know? But not too much, because especially if you haven't inspected, you know? But then again, you know, certain things will pop up at certain times. But it's so funny that once you own something, that's when it starts, you know, having problems. So, anywho, there are a few things that had to be fixed, which was normal. And we fixed as much as we could and stuff, you know, replace things that we had to replace and all that good stuff. And now we're chilling. You know, and slowly just kind of doing what I gotta do to, you know, bring the home to our comfort level, or to my comfort level where I want it to be, you know, and make sure everything is functioning. So anyway, at first, the first 6 months, it was like, ooh, yeah, we don't have that much to do, you know, it's just a few things that we had to tweak. Like, I had a gas dryer, so we added a piping to link the gas up into the washroom so that I could still use my gas dryer. That was no big deal. Had a couple of sinks, knobs changed, you know, put in a new garbage disposal, you know, little things, which weren't really that big of a deal because they're like, of course you expect to have to replace certain things and fix certain things when you first move in. So it was great. 6 months on, you know, we're chilling. And then all of a sudden, we have this huge storm. And Texas is known for having storms. Like, this is like around hurricane, you know, this is a hurricane thunderstorm area, you know. So, I think we're going on like 8 months. And then all of a sudden, boom, we got water gushing through the ceiling from, you know, one storm happened, and then there's like water gushing through the ceiling and the closet, and because it's an upstairs house, it's like 2,500 square feet, but it's like first and second floor. Oh my God. I was just like, no, the roof is leaking. And y'all know if the roof is leaking, you know what that means. I was praying that it was just a situation where it'd be like, okay, you know, maybe there's a little hole and, you know, we can patch it up and we'll be fine. Well, we had somebody come out, look at it. They're like, nope, can't patch it up. If you patch it up, you'll just be wasting your money because you're gonna have to replace it. Yep. Guys, 9 months into it, I had to replace my roof. Yep. Now, I don't know if any of you guys are homeowners or, you know, if you have homeowners in the family. Replacing the roof is not a walk in the park job. And it's not really the kind of money you could just dip into your pocket and be like, oh, here you go, replace my roof, you know? So, it was quite an expense, y'all. But it had to be done. So, I did it, you know? The lamb, shrimp, asparagus. Because I just realized I was just eating and talking and not saying anything about the food. This is great, guys. So anyway, so I get, you know, I'm done with the roof and I'm like, okay, well, hopefully nothing else is gonna happen, you know? 2 months later, AC, thermostat, AC, everything. Had to redo all that. The whole unit on the inside of the home, because it's like central air. So the unit on the inside needed to be redone, refixed, whatever. Oh my God, came out of pocket for that. Okay, fine. So now we're sailing, clear sailing. And a year finally passes by, due tax season and all that. And guess what? Here's another thing that I found out about homeownership in Texas. So apparently every year, the tax assessor's office is going to try to convince you that the value of your home has increased. Even if you don't do anything to your home. They'll tell you the market value has gone up, which means your taxes are going to go up. So, every year, guys, I have to fight the tax assessor that my house home value has not gone up because I haven't done anything to it. All I've been doing is repairs. There are new improvements. It's just repairs. I've been doing this for the past 2 years, guys. And of course, this tax season, once again, I'm fighting with my gang, y'all. So, these are all the exciting things about being a homeowner. But anyway, back to the series of events. So this past week, it's just been crazy. If you've ever been to Texas, you know that you barely have spring. It's basically summer. It's light summer, medium summer, really hot summer, and then a little bit of coolness, and then chill, and then back to light summer, medium summer, really hot summer. So it's already AC time, you know? And last week my car just decided that, hey, you need to fix the AC. And so the AC broke. I had to get that fixed, y'all. My car. That was not something I wanted to do. But I did it. And then, before the week ended, boom. My home AC unit stops working. I'm like, okay. You know, I think there's like something going on in the atmosphere. You know, they say bad luck comes in threes or something like that. I don't know. But I was just like, okay, what is this? And my gate got busted. So guys, I had things to resolve these, at least like past 5 days at least. I've been going through it. So I just had to sort myself out, you know, and freeze for a moment and just take care of all these issues. So that's my big hoorah about home ownership, or my big, you know, I don't know what to call it. Woes? Is that what it is? Because when I was renting, of course, if something breaks, hey, call the owner. They'll come and fix it, right? So now I'm the owner. It's like, ugh. I wish I was renting, because it just seems like one thing breaks, you fix it, then another thing breaks, you fix, and it's just like, ah! And that's basically what it is. And on top of it, when things happen, you notice more when you're an owner because it's yours, you know? So you care more. And things are more, it affects you more, you know? And I have to say, my kids, especially my toddler, well, she's not really a toddler. She's like 4 now, going on 5. I have this little, the door that leads out to my backyard. It has like a glass pane in it, and it has to be covered with a little window blind. Tell me why this child always peeping through and just literally has ripped that to shreds. I've replaced this thing twice, y'all. So now I have to beg the kids, please, please, please stop destroying things, because it's so much work to replace. So that was my homeowners woe, brought to you by Free Spiritist. I still love being a homeowner, guys. But man, if I tell you that it is not an easy task to take on, it is not an easy task to take on. And it's not something you should take on until you're buoyant enough to handle it. And budget things breaking in your house, basically, you know? But anyway, guys, that was my whole spiel. I am full, guys. And I hope so far you've liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And guys, those of you who, you know, just passing by today, welcome. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed, this is a perfect opportunity for you to subscribe. I encourage you to subscribe because it's absolutely free to you. And once you subscribe, hit that post notification bell next to the subscribe button. That notifies you every time when I make a video or when we make videos, because yes, there is a we, guys. You'll be notified. Guys, I hope you guys have checked out some of the other videos that are on my channel, like those food tour videos. Guys, I have a whole bunch of food tour videos, and I have everything organized for y'all. So everything is under a different type of playlist. The food tour videos, food tour. You have the solo mukbangs with me. And the ones that I did with my hubby Frankie. But y'all need to check these videos out. Let me know what y'all think of the food tour videos, because that's something that I thought would be really nice to incorporate, you know, with the whole, you know, connecting with folks through food. I just feel like it'll be exciting for us. And, you know, very soon we can start traveling, y'all. How do y'all feel about leaving a country? Okay, let's not jump to the country yet, but the state. I know I keep telling y'all that we're gonna travel, but it looks like we will be towards the end of the summer. We're gonna do something, probably, you know, a couple of days on the road, you know, road trip type of thing. So we're working on it for y'all guys. But for the meantime, we're still gonna be doing what we do, and, you know, hopefully visiting some more restaurants. So please comment down below any places or countries, type of cuisine that you think I should try. Comment down below. Any recipes you have, comment down below. Any ideas, please comment down below. I really love to hear from you guys. I want to be that interactive with you guys. So please don't hesitate to comment down below. So y'all, I'm about to eat this mango. And this one seems to be very juicy. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to get me a napkin, this big towel, in case it's super juicy. Wow. I was right. It is super juicy. Wow, this one almost is like, I could eat the skin, but I don't want to. This one is good, y'all. This is the kind that they use to make those smoothies. Wow, that is so sweet, y'all. It's almost fragrant. It has like a mango fragrance to it. Wow, delicious. I love mango. The only thing I don't love is getting it stuck in your teeth. But other than that, it's one of my favorites. Especially when it's like this and it's like super ripe. That's like the best. Wow. And this one is nice. This one is almost like the candy flavor ones, you know? All right, y'all. So, guys, like I said, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your midweek, you know, and the rest of your week. I hope you guys don't go through any woes like I did, you know what I'm saying? Because it is not fun going through the woes. It's just so like, ugh, you know? So enjoy the rest of your week. Be safe out in the streets, guys. And don't forget to wear your mask. Excuse me. Because it is still out there. Love one another, love yourselves, remain blessed, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.